sales1.csv. Now we got a data frame. Okay, let me create a data frame. Yeah, can I give a small recap? Go back to the running notes and it's the right time. See, once we're done with the Python, actually, so from Python what you guys need to learn is how to create a function, how to work with the data structure, how to create a class, how to create an object, how to create a method, how to call a method, how to access instance variable, what is a constructor, at what time constructor will be executed. These are all fundamentals. So from Python you guys learned those things actually. After Python, the immediate next topic is what exactly, sir? Pandas. What is the next topic? Pandas. So the main motto for Pandas will be, imagine you joined in company. You join in what, Sarji? Company. Company having some historical data, last to 5 years data or else last to 10 years data. Once company given the data, you need to do historical analysis. You need to do, what do you mean by historical analysis? How many rows, one operation? How many columns, one operation? How many number of missing values, one operation? I wanted to know historical data information, one option. I wanted to know the size, one operation. This is nothing but a historical information. This is nothing but what, Sarji? So this is something like data on top of data. You are applying Pandas. You are applying what, Sarji? Pandas actually. Are you clear? Right. By using Pandas, we can do data analysis. By using Pandas, we can do what, Sarji? Then currently we are running with the data analysis actually, right? So from the chapter number 1, you should understand how to install Pandas. How to install what, Sarji? Pandas actually. Pandas. Pip install Pandas. Pandas having such a powerful data structures actually, right? How Python having the data structure? Pandas having the data structure. The first one is a series. Next one, data frame. Next one, panel. That's what. So the first example, you should know how to import Pandas. So that's what you need to understand from chapter number 1. Chapter number 2, series. Here is a beauty. First of all, series is a data structure. What is a data structure? Data structure is an object or variable. By using that, we can store the data, process the data, right? And series, the beauty with the series will be, it's a predefined class. Chapter sir, it is a, though it is a class, attributes and methods, it will come automatically. So this is the, just try to keep in mind. We'll talk later actually. Yeah, we should know how to create a series, how to create empty series. We can create a series with list actually. These are all things we done. Okay. Next one will be index. What is the next topic, Sarji? Index actually. When it comes to Python index and Pandas index, both are same, but there is a small difference. Very good. In Python, I explain how to customize the values in a list. But in Pandas, we can customize values in series. We can even customize index also. We can even customize what, Sarji? We done these are all. Gurtunda meeku. I hope you guys enjoyed holidays. That's what I'm giving a small recap actually. Next one will be none value. Imagine there is a data collected actually. In data collection, data is missing. That is okay. Missing the data is a common scenario. Missing the students is common scenario in regularly. I'm seeing this one. Same thing like that, data can be missed actually. The missing data is representing with none. Representing with none. None means not a number. Not what's a number. And the data type is a float. What is the data type? Float actually, right? Regarding none, just I covered 5%. It's okay, 5%. Remaining 95%, chapter number 12, we are going to learn actually. Handling missing value, we are going to learn. Maybe we are very near. Oh, we are very near actually. And another one topic is in between. Then attributes, man. Series is a predefined class. Series class having attributes actually. What exactly mean? Attributes, right? So, Daniel, what is the main purpose? By using this one, we can attributes returns information. Attributes giving information about object. About what, Saji? Object actually. Object actually. Okay, fan got Adi, is it okay? Adi uriki tirutundi kada? Yes, take a control. Thank you. Next one, series methods actually. When you're talking about the method, methods will perform an operation. Methods will perform what such operation actually. Good. We have seen certain attributes and methods we have seen. Next one, data frame introduction, right? So when you're talking about the series, it can store the data in the form of single column data structure. What data structure means? Single column. But when it comes to data frame, it is having rows and columns searching. What exactly? Rows and column. That's what you need to be understand. Yeah. Here I explain how to create a empty data frame, how to create a data frame with single column, single list and nested list, dictionary, array I kept hold actually. Okay, fine, I have explained here. The next point will be loading the different files. Loading what such a different file, right? Generally, I have given one CSV file, Excel file, JSON file, TSC file. If client will give the file, we will get a data frame. We will get what such a Daniel, why data frame? Once it is data frame, trust me, life is very easy. You can apply, you can call methods and you can access attributes actually. Okay, that's what you need to be understand. Data frame having attributes, I have explained in a last session actually. Data frame having methods, this one is a running topic, right? Can I give a few more small recap actually? There is all certain predefined function you should have. Errors I will read, you no need to read actually. Syntax error, name error, key error, value error, type error, index error, indentation error, attribute error, module not found error, file not found error, import error, HTTP error, right? HTTP error. Alright, these are all certain string related methods. Methods in list class, methods in attributes in series class. Then you can list out dictionary methods, you can list out tuple method, you can list out set methods, you can list out. Up to you. You need to do some groundwork actually. Good. These are all attributes, right? So attributes you can access by using object name, no parenthesis. Method you can access by using object name with parenthesis. These are all certain methods actually. Okay. Yeah, good. The next one, data frame attributes. Just now we have seen. We already done this one previously. Now methods is a running topic actually. Keynote from Python, a kind of some function whoops is important actually. We can create a function, then we need to call a function. While calling the function, name should be matched. If a function having parameter, then we need to pass value while calling the function. If a function having the return statement, then we need to assign variable while calling the function. Next one, class object method. We can create class method constructor. We can create class method constructor object actually. We need to call method by using object name with parenthesis. We can access attribute by using object name, no parenthesis, right? Constructor will be executed automatically during object creation. Keyword argument, function, constructor, method actually. Good, let me tell you. If I directly put heading, if I continue also, nobody never ask actually. But why last 5 minutes I spent, important man. Important kabatti నేను spend చేశాను 5 minutes for me. It is kind of some, for me, I am wasting the time. But for you, it is a revision. But I never feel I am wasting the time. It will be helpful for you only. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Let's move on. Easy. It's very easy. Okay. First of all, Daniel, we have a data frame. We have what's such a data frame. Can we apply these are all head method, top 5 rows, tail method, bottom last 5 rows, info method, information about the data frame, information about what's such a data frame. Okay. This info method you should not write within the print. If I have written what happened, you will get none as a result as a last actually. None as a output. మీకు ఇక్కడ లాస్ట్ లో నన్ వస్తుంది చూడండి. Along with that output, either you tried or not, I'm not sure. Now you can just try to see this. Awesome, you're getting none. Then no. Why none actually? Remove the print. Only for this method actually, right? Info method. Ayyo. Info method we done. Next one will be count method. What method, Saji? Count method. Yeah, we already know this. So first know the difference, know the fundamental. It's a method. What is the purpose, Daniel? By using this, we can find all values, number of all. We can find number of values, excluding NaN value, missing values. I wanted to include what I need to do. Very good Kusma Garu. Nice response. Let me just try to call this method. I can make it, this one will be df and s equals to df dot count method actually. Now you can please call this yes. Revision man, daily you need to do the revision. Daily me revision cheyali, adi meeku help avutadi. Yeah, see, there is no missing value, there is no what such a missing value. Imagine I do have some missing values data set. I have one missing value data set. Let me just try to, there is a data set which is having missing values. The data set name is a sales one, we already done. Sales one with NAN. There is a one data set. Ekkadundadi? Yeah, here it is actually. Good. Where is that file? Here it is actually. Very good. Now let us just try to take this one. You can apply this. Okay. Now, yeah, please observe here. Very good, man. Ayyo. No such file. Arey. Extension is missing. What is missing? I was wondering what happened. Good, man. There is a one column. What is the column name? Quantity, having 3 missing values. Having how many? 3 missing values actually. Okay. If you want, you can open. You can open the data set and you can just observe. You will get to know clarity. I'm opening the data set. Wow. Did you notice actually? Yeah, Daniel, first one is a order ID, next one is a customer, next one is a product, next one is a quantity. Very good, man. See, there are value 1, 2, 3. 3 values are missing. 3 values are. If the data is missing, if you are trying to printing the data frame, those missing values you will get result as a none. You will get result as what, Sarji? None actually. Kindly please observe here. Yeah, see, none actually. None means not butter none. It is a none is a topic in pandas actually. Am I right or not, Sarji? Okay, yeah. So let me just try to load this file. So loading file. What file you are loading? This one. Having missing value. Having what, Saji? Missing value. This is having missing value. Now, I would like to call df.count. Yeah, Daniel. df.what exactly mean? Count. I have a question for you. Count is a method. Chapan sir, count is a method actually. We already know this. This is really beautiful, right? Go back to the previous data frame. First 3 values are visible, we are counting. Imagine 1 crore values would we have. How many values, man? It takes a lot of time, right? Then here we need to use a method. Method name is a count. What is the method name? Methods are like a tools helping us. It's like a tool. Imagine if you wanted to open any bolt actually, you need to apply small tool actually. With hands we cannot do. Am I right or not, sir? Right? Easy. Very easy, sir. Very easy. Okay. Can you please help me? Small recap regarding methods actually. First one, df dot head method.
df dot
head of kind of some number you can provide.
Index.
The next one, df dot tail method. Then df dot tail of and some number you can provide actually. The next one, I'm sure I have applied slicing also. Did you remember? Why slicing? Yeah, in between data I want. Between data. Majulo data cover. Go for slicing. I am sorry, this is not a method. This is a technique. It is not a method. Please make a note. Technique actually. Technique. Slicing technique.
After this, index.
Tell me, sir, what is the next one?
df dot index.
Come again.
Index.
Oh, 2 underscore what exactly? String method. The next one, df dot info method. Very nice. The next one, df dot count method. Very nice. Then Daniel, what is the next method? Why we are getting none? Can you please explain actually? Sir, did you miss none data type topic actually? Did you miss the topic? Mukhtar Sarji. Go to our material. You can kindly please walk through. Here I covered what is a none actually. Then do small revision. You will get to know. Do small revision. You will get to know actually. Thank you. Let's move on. Where are we? We covered none. Yep. Next one, there is a method. Method name is a describe. What is a method? Describe. This one during math I will cover. During math actually. During math. This method returns statistical information. Statistical information about the data frame. About what, Saji? Data frame actually. This method works with only only numbers and date values. What values mean? Date value. This method never work with string data. What data, Saji? String data. Make a note on this. Okay. Anyway, we'll discuss this method during maths. Okay, but anyway, let me call this. Whenever you are calling describe method, first of all, let me just try to. You kindly remind me this data set I need to upload today. Yeah, Daniel, first of all, data frame is ready. Look at my screen. Very good. Data frame is ready. Okay. Look at the data frame. Yeah, integer value. String value. No, describe method will not work. String value, describe method, alphanumeric, string method will not work. Quantity, integer value. Now, whenever you apply, what method Saji? Describe. What is the describe method beauty, you know? Describe method will describe.
Only the.
Describe actually. Right. See, count result it is telling. Generally, I need a count. What do you mean by count actually? Number of all values excluding missing values. Separately count method we need to call. But here it is a bonus actually. It is what, Sarji? And that too, it is working with only numerical data. What data? Numerical data. Hey boss, you know, describe we already covered during series actually, right? The next one, mean. Next one, standard deviation, right? The next one, see, minimum, maximum, Q1, Q2, Q3. Quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3. Last 5 results is called as a 5 number summary. What is the last 5 one?
5 number
We'll discuss later during math actually. Make a note on this, okay? Now we are entering into interview discussion, sir. Cool, get relaxed. It is very easy. Trust me, it is very easy. I am an average student. I myself understand actually. There is one good question. Array Daniel, what is the next chapter after Pandas actually? Boss, it's project. It's project actually. It's a kind of some live project EDA. I can explain one project and there are 2 assignments actually. After the next topic, data visualization. After data visualization, NumPy. After NumPy, maths actually. After maths, ML. You can ask the same question after ML actually. Okay. Thank you. Let's move on. Would you have other topics? Let's continue. Let me drink water. Let's move on. Oh, we already know this. What is the method name?
N-unique.
N-unique means number of unique values. Number of what, Saji? Unique values. Yeah, N-unique. You can just have to go back here. Data frame is ready. We got a data frame. N unique method you need to apply. Number of unique values. These are all. Then what do you mean by number of unique values? Sir, go back to the series. There I covered. First I explain unique method. I explain unique method. After unique I explain N unique actually. Please. Previous topics revision you need to do actually. df dot N unique actually. Yeah. Sir, important sir. Interview question. Get ready to understand. Okay. Till now, are you clear? Till now, if you are clear, then only you will understand this topic actually. Are you ready? Good, very good. Easy. Important topic. Throughout course we are using, even once we enter into the machine learning, right? These are all. Sir, one small point. Make a note on this one. Python, you should be good. The next one, Pandas, you should be good. The next topic is a project actually. Nice. Somebody asked today nice question. Swami Garu, Daniel, can you tell me the flow? Projects we are going to discuss. The next topic is the data visualization. Actually. Next topic is a NumPy. Next topic is a machine learning. Next topic is a deep learning. Next topic is a NLP. These are all, it goes actually. Repeating again. See, these are all steps wise. Imagine there is a one building. I wanted to enter into the step actually. First step is the Python, sir. First base is the Python. Next one is the Pandas. Hey Daniel, can I jump here directly? No. It's too difficult actually. Too difficult. Are you clear, Sajay? Make a note on this one. See, that's what I have written. I can still write first to Python, next to Pandas, next to ML, like that I can write. But I have written like a steps wise. Why? Because I can think like which one is important actually. Daniel, can I jump from here to here? If it is a physical step, we can jump. It is a technical steps actually. Did you understand, sir? Okay? Yeah. Important topic. First, understand the topic. Daniel, we have created a data frame. Very nice. We have created what, Sajay? Data frame. Next one. Data frame having 4 columns. Imagine. Data frame having, by default, it will display all columns. By default, we can see all columns. We can see what, Sajay? Ante kada? Imagine data frame, the CSV file having 4 columns. Whenever you are printing the data frame, it displays all columns, Sajay. But my requirement will be, what is my requirement, requirement? Think like the columns names will be like this. Ila anukondi. Imagine the column names A, B, C, D. Think like that actually. Otherwise C1, C2, C3, C4. C1, C2, C3, C4. When I say C1, column 1. When I say C2, column 2. And respectively 4 columns actually. Now the requirement will be accessing specific columns. Accessing what, Sajay? Specific columns actually. Specific columns. Daniel, requirement number 1. What is requirement number 1, 1. I wanted to access only C1. Only what exactly, sir? C1. Possible actually. Possible. Next one, requirement number 2. I wanted to access only C4. Possible. Anything is possible. That's what you need to be understand. This is something like accessing single column. Chapana sir, accessing. Yamare? Hello, Daniel. Data frame having 4 columns. I don't want all columns. I wanted to access only one column. Access only one column. Possible. Otherwise, I wanted to access C4. Possible. C2. Possible. C3. Possible. Actually, this is called as a accessing specific columns. This is called as a single column. What column, sir? Now you understand the requirement. Next requirement will be accessing specific column. Specific what exactly columns? I would like to say chaptara group of columns. What exactly, man? Possible, man. Possible actually. Possible. What do you mean by that? Requirement number 3. Out of 4, access only chapana sir C1 and C2. Possible, sir. Possible actually. Possible. Next one, Daniel, my requirement will be, I just wanted to access up to you, sir. Up to you actually, right? I wanted to access second one and I wanted to access 4th one actually. Now fourth one. So the point will be, anything is possible. Conclusion actually. we can access any column, any either column or column structure. That's what you should get a clear picture. Now let me help you how to do that actual. మీకు అర్థమైందా సచ్చి? రైట్, గుడ్.
మరి ఏంటన్నా అతండి
let me stop Telugu, let me not speak Telugu actually.
ఏంటన్నా అతండి
Online team, are you clear, Sajay? What I'm trying to explain with you?
ఇందంటున్నావు కదా స్టేటస్ పెడదాం ఏదో అతండి ఇదంటున్నావు ఏంటి?
Oh, Mukhtar garu. No, sir. I'm asking you about. Oh, now I understand, Sajay. Understand. Sorry.
అందులో పెట్టుకోవచ్చు
I misunderstood then. Good question. Then the answer will be do small revision
Count method.
on function plus written topic. The next one written as none. Written as what exactly? None topic actually. Then you will get a clarity. Mukhtar Sajay. So go to the Python, do small revision, you will get a clarity. Okay. We are good to go. Online team, who are all more active? Soumya garu, Jalaja garu, Ramya ma'am, Chandana boss, Soni sir, Mukhtar Sajay. We are good to go. Man, can I tell you what is a requirement? Can I explain what is a requirement? Requirement is very simple. Hello Daniel, you have a data frame. You have what, Sajay? Data frame actually. You have a data frame. It would be good if I brought to tablet tomorrow actually. I can directly write with handwriting. You will get a clarity. Instead of these are all Hadavadi diagrams. Think like this one is a data frame. This one is what, Sajay? Data frame. How many columns? How many columns? 4 columns. One more punishment. How many columns? 4 columns. Yeah, good. One. Next one, 2. The next one, 3. Next one, 4. Yeah, very good. Now my requirement will be, by default it is displaying all columns. I don't want to access all columns. I wanted to access specific column. I wanted to access only this column. I don't want to access other columns. Possible, sir? Possible actually. I wanted to access third column. Possible. Third column in the sense I don't want to access remaining columns. I wanted to hide. That is a requirement number 1. That is called as accessing single column. Accessing. Good. Requirement number 1. Requirement number 2. Out of 4 columns, Chapana sir, out of 4 columns, I wanted to access 2 columns. Or I wanted to access 3 columns. Up to you. Which column you decide actually. You decide either 1, 2, 3 or else 2, 3, 1 like that actually, right? We can access. We can what, Sachi? Access. That's requirement. Let me cover actually. Interview question. During interview, definitely they will ask actually how to access a specific column. Okay. Accessing specific columns, right? The first one will be single column we can access. The next one, group of columns also we can access. Group of columns also, what Sajay? We can access. Sir, do you wanted to access a single column? There are 2 ways. Actually. There are two ways. We can access a single column in 2 ways actually. What is the first one?
Using
the first one
series.
By using dot notation. What notation, man? Dot notation. Sorry, we are not using in real time. So not using in real time actually, but still I will cover. Next one, by using index. By using what, Sajay? Index. We are using in real time. I know very well which one is using, which one is not using actually. Then you should aware. Okay. Using in real time actually. This one is not using in real time actually. Team, are you clear? There are 2 ways actually. First one by using dot notation. Chappan sir. First one by using dot notation. Second one by using indexing syntax. What syntax actually, sir? Indexing syntax actually. Let me cover both. When it comes to second one, group of columns, I can talk later actually only one way. By using index. Only one way actually. Okay. Now accessing single column. That is a requirement. Accessing a single column. What is the first notation, Japan sir? By using dot notation. What exactly? Dot notation. Are you ready? And we are not using this one in real time. I will tell you the reason also. First of all, let me explain practically. Yeah, Daniel, come on, let's move on. Access only. What is the column name? I wanted to access only customer name. Just imagine I wanted to access only. It's okay. First, let me access the product. Daniel, access only column actually. Good. Can I access actually? Yeah, you can access actually. What is the code? You know, the code is very simple. Yeah, sir, go back to the code and here object name dot just to specify name of the column. Okay, just to specify name of the column. This is beautiful, sir. This is called as a dot notation. What notation? From the data frame, if you are accessing single column, you will get result as a series. You will get result as a. Did you remember, sir? Right now, let me run the code actually. Let me run what exactly code. Wow, exactly, man. See, first one. So and so monitor, Samsung monitor, so and so monitor, Samsung monitor. This is beautiful, Sarji. This is seriously beautiful. The name of the column is the product. Okay. What is the total length? 600. What is the data type object? Actually, beautiful. What exactly we done is from the whole data frame, I wanted to access a specific column. We can access by using dot notation. By using what notation? Dot notation actually. Sir, here this is name of the column. This is what, Sarji? Did you remember attribute actually? Same syntax we need to follow. Same syntax. Don't ask what is attribute. We already done actually. Okay? Yeah, very good. So this is the way. Next one. Accessing one more, access only, one more column, let me access. One more column. What is the next column, you know, sir? Can I explain what is the next column? You can just try to come here. Customer name. Let me just try to access only this column actually. Customer name column. Customer name column actually. Customer name column. Right? Very simple. Can I tell you one small point? See, can I ask you a question? What is the notation? What notation? Dot notation where if there is no space in column names. See, whenever you are using customer name actually, what we are getting here, if it is a space, dot notation will fail actually. I will tell you the reason why. Did you remember naming convention? Space is not allowed. What exactly? Exactly here also. Whenever you are creating identifier, Python, whenever you are creating identifier, space is not allowed, sir. Yeah. What is not allowed? But here column name having the space actually. Then you will get a syntax error. What error, sir? Syntax error. That's why in company we are not using actually. See? Invalid syntax. Are you boss? What column name exactly matching. We scanned actually, but not working. Why? Space issue. Only single word, space issue. What issue? Space issue. Make a note on this one. That's what here I specified. What I specified actually. Hello. I wanted to access a single column, dot notation, but not using. You should aware why it is not using. Now, what is the next one, sir? Anything it will work actually. Index is beautiful. Index is what, Sachi? Beautiful actually. Beautiful, right? Let me explain. I will give a conclusion here. Conclusion. Dot notation works well. Yeah. Throws error.
Okay.
Are you clear? I need a response. Nice. Move on. Move to the next one. We done that. And let us apply few more operations. Go back here, Sarji. Small requirement. Listen carefully, everybody. Listen carefully, everybody. I request you. Look at my screen. Think like I will ask you one small requirement. My requirement
మిల్క్
is.
పంచి పెట్టావా
Arey,
గిన్నె ఉన్నాయి
what happened, sir? Good. This is the data set company have given. How many columns? 4 columns. How many? 4 columns. What is the last column name? Quantity. Now client asked one question. Hey, what is the total quantity? What is the? They asked what is total quantity. What do you mean by total quantity? You know, if client is asking what do you mean by total quantity, don't say 600 actually. Total quantity means what it mean, you know, 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus, keep on total 600 values, cumulative sum. Yeah, sum actually. Then what we need to do, sir, access this column separately and apply sum. Exactly, some method. What we need to apply? That's the requirement actually. Yeah, right? Can we apply such? Yeah, Daniel, we can apply. Use dot notation, but I never recommend actually. Right? Index did I cover? Let me cover. It's okay. Let me just try to access. Dot sum. Dot what exactly mean? Sum. You can access like this. Wow. You will get as a result. Super, sir. Super actually. Arthuvayinda sir? Very easy. Very easy. Dot notation. It will work with if no space in a column name. Yeah, it is working. We are getting column, and at the same time, though this is the column, series actually, on top of series, you can apply series method. You can apply what, Sarji? Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing actually. That's what I'm doing.
మళ్ళీ ఏంటి మాట్లాడుతున్నారు మీరు
Can take charge. Prepare, sir. Everybody prepare actually. Don't skip any example. For more examples, follow our running notes. Okay, now Daniel, next heading, accessing single column. Now what is the notation, sir? By using index actually. Right, good. So let me show you how to access actually. Very simple. First get the data frame. Daniel, data frame is ready. Okay, sir. I wanted to access product. Let us apply index. Let us apply what, Saji? Index actually. How to access, you know? Index means, I hope you already know this one. In between here, name of the column you need to specify. Did you remember list index actually? List index. You know how to access a keys from data frame also. Keys from dictionary. Keys from what? Dictionary. Here also same, almost, right? This is something like a key syntax. Key. Or you can also call as index syntax actually. Yeah, man, we are getting. What exactly, sir? We are getting actually. Take this one. Simple, the syntax will be data frame, index notation, and here name of the column. Here what exactly mean? Name of the column. Are you clear? Yeah, good. Sir, we'll do one thing. Did you remember? I told it will, you know, so the dot notation fail in one syntax. In which syntax actually? If column name having space, what, Saji? Space, then, you know, so it will fail actually. It will what exactly mean? Fail. Let me just try to apply. Let us access customer name and let us apply dot actually. What is the issue? No, space issue. What issue? Now we'll do one thing. Apply index actually. Wow. Index work for anything, man. Anything. Yeah, see, you are getting an out. See, exactly. Just because of space, it is not working. Now index we are using. Why? Because, you know, index is the best. Index is what, Saji? Best. Are you clear, Saji? Previously we were accessing a single column by using dot, it is throwing error. But now we are accessing by using index. By using what, Saji? Index. Are you clear? Good. Take this one. I believe you understand very clearly, I guess, actually. Kada?
Yeah,
Can I get a response from you? One important interview question. One, right? So the final conclusion. Always use index notation to access columns, actually. To access what exactly mean? Either column or columns, actually. Clear, Sachi? Yeah, nice. One important point, actually. What is that important point, you know? While accessing column, name should be matched. Otherwise, we'll get key error. What error, boss? Key error, actually. Back in columns, it will be considered like a key, actually. Then go back. What do you mean by key? Go to the dictionary, you will get to know clear picture. I'm repeating again. While you are accessing column name should be matched. Column name should be. Otherwise, you will get a key error. Otherwise, you will get a. Let me show you. Anyway, we are getting this output, right? We are getting what, Saji? This output. Let me give wrong key. Or what do you mean by wrong key, actually? First of all, Daniel. Hey, Daniel. This one is a total columns. Yeah. Customer order ID you can access, customer name you can access, product you can access, quantity. Customer name you can access as it is, okay? You're accessing. While you're accessing, if name mismatch, you will get a key error.
Yeah.
See, children, what error, sir? Key error. Make a note of this. So, column mismatch equals to key error. That is a punishment, actually. So column name should be matched. Otherwise, key error, actually. Key error. Kada? Yeah, Daniel, we understand. Now we'll do one thing. Let me show you output. Yeah. Can you guess the error? Very good. Why? Case matter. What matter? Case matter. Case sensitive.
Index error.
We thought like, customer name existing, Daniel, but Aris boss. C is capital. C is what, Saji? Capital, actually. Capital. Oh, we done with accessing single column. Can I give small recap? Access columns. Either column or columns. Single column. Two ways. First one, dot notation. Next one, index syntax. Index notation. Which one is recommended, sir? This one is recommended. Previous one will be? No, not recommended, actually. Why? What issue? What issue? Remember that act. Space issue. Good, man. Now let me access group of columns. What exactly mean? Group of. Very simple, actually. Very simple. Only one. Index syntax. Apply index syntax. This symbol indicates to cry. తెలుసు కదా మీకు. This symbol indicates to cry. Come on, let me accessing group of columns. Learn the topics nicely and seriously very good. You guys are really blessed, actually. This theory I can read. Go back. Move on, Sarji. So first let's get the data frame. Let's get what, Sarji? Data frame. Everybody look at my screen. Yeah, Daniel. I have question. Total how many rows? 600. How many columns? 4 columns. How many columns? 4 columns. Now select any 2 columns or 3 columns. Who can access? Daniel, I wanted to access customer name and I wanted to access product. Otherwise, I wanted to access customer name and I wanted to even access quantity. Who can access? Who can access actual, right? Now to access group of columns, what we need to do? Prepare one small list. Prepare one small list with the name of the columns. So seems to be left hand side one small variable, that's still okay. My variable name is a right hand side list of column names. What is the first column name, Sarji? Madam, what column name? Customer name. It's okay, you can specify here. Second one will be quantity or product. Quantity or what, Sarji? Product actual. Hey Daniel, is order matter? Order doesn't matter. If you want product, you can take as a first, and customer name you can take as a second. That's still possible. Order or not a matter, madam. You are clear, right? Now here what we need to do, what index I told, what syntax I told actually, tell me sir, what syntax? Index. Then do one thing. You can index of just to provide the list. That's the beauty. First point, prepare list with the column names. Yeah, I have prepared list with the column names. Then this index accepting list of column names. List of what, Saji? Hey Daniel, can I pass even directly like this? You can pass, that I can cover later. You can even pass like this. You will get a confused. Hey, why 2 came actual? If you separate this one, you will get a clarity. Yeah. Did you understand or not, sir? Right? Now let us run this code actually. Wow. We got a 2 columns data frame. Nice. From the 4 columns data frame, we are selecting 2 columns data frame actually. How beautiful it is, Sergey. Can I get a response from you? Right. While accessing the column, name should be matched. Otherwise, nice. Good. You do practice. Order not a matter, boss. So Daniel, now can I access quantity as a first actually? Can I access quantity as a first? Yeah, you can access, sir. Let me print the data frame. Ayyo. Daniel, quantity I wanted to access as a first column. Same result actually. Okay. Now you can just have to come here, search. Go back to the code. Prepare. Nice. Can you tell me? Here you can pass. What is the first column name? Quantity. Next one, customer name. Next one. Nice, man. This is what you need to be understand. Are you with me or not, sir? Okay. Beautiful, sir. Pandas is a really amazing topic actually. Just you need to apply. Daniel, while I am trying to accessing, one column name is missing. Gone case. Exactly. Gone case actual. Here. Make a note on this. Right. See, I didn't find that column name with the index actually. We done this. Next topic is very simple. Rearranging the columns. Rearranging what exactly mean? Columns actually. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by rearranging? Imagine if the column names are like this. Can you tell me kind of some, Daniel, this one is a C1, C2, C4. It's okay. First I can take C4. I take as it is. Order ID, Daniel. First one is order ID. Next one, sir, customer name. Next one, product. Next one, quantity. Yeah, right. This is the original order. This is what order, Sarji? Original order actual. Original order actual. Okay. Daniel, I wanted to rearrange. Chapana sir, I wanted to rearrange. What do you mean by rearrange? You can tell me any column name. You can tell me as a first column name. I need a first one as a product. I need next one as a customer name. Up to you. ఓ ఇక్కడ కూడా కస్టమర్ నేమ్ ఉందా? లెట్ us take this. Don't worry. Now here I need as a customer name. Now here I need as a చెప్పండి సార్. యా సార్, దిస్ is called as a rearranging. చెప్తారా? Yeah, good. This is already arranged actually. Daniel, can I rearrange actually? Same syntax. What syntax? You can go for prepare list actually. Prepare what, Sarji? List, and you can pass that list to the index actually. అంతే కదా? చెప్పండి మేడం. Exactly. Same syntax. You need this, right? First column name, comma, I'm preparing, comma. While accessing column, name should be match, otherwise? Very good. Wow. Done, Sarji. Done. Previously, what is the first column name? Order ID. Second column name? Customer name. But now here, what is the first column name? So the point is, you can do anything. You can do anything actually. No limitation. You can do actually. Beautiful. మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా? Yeah, I believe that. One more last example so that we can close this topic actually. Access group of columns. I guess what, Sarji? Group of columns. What do you mean by that? Let me just try to access only these two columns. Don't get confused. It is very simple. Man, simple. If group of columns, result is data frame. Result is, if single column, result is, make a note. Result is series actually. Please make a note, right? Now anyway, Daniel, instead of assigning into variable, can I cut this one and can I paste here actually? Possible, sir. Possible actually. Make a note on this one. But you may confuse. So always make a separation. This is still possible. Yes, you are getting. Sir, are you getting? Nice. If you guys are sleeping, please wake up actually. Oh, Sudha Madri Garu, such a nice question. Beautiful question actually. Let me take this one. One of our madam is asking question. Are Daniel, on rearranging, okay, rearranged order will be saved in a DF or else display the output actually, right? So same question, let me explain to everybody. Let me what exactly explain to all the question. Let me explain to everybody actually. Understand the point. Go back rearranging. Let me rerun the example. You will get a clarity. You will get what, such a clarity. Good. Are you clear? Good. Daniel, let me just try to run actually. First I will do one thing. First what I will do, first let me print the data frame. Yeah. This is the data frame order. When I say data frame order, CSV file order. What order? Are you with me? Good. We'll do one thing. Let me rearrange. What, Saji? Rearrange. If you rearrange, Daniel, CSV file order will be changed actually. No. If you are doing rearranging, this rearrange applicable only for virtual data, not physical data. Not what data, sir? Let me show you. Now answer my question. My question is very simple. Can you tell me the order here? What is the first column name? Product. But open the data set. Sir, physical file never ever change. That physical file we are dumping into object actually. We are playing with object. That's what you need to be understand. Madhuri Garu, such a beautiful question you asked actually. Are you clear? Everybody, are you clear, sir? Wonderful question. Madam, are you clear? Did you ask the same? Good. Let me highlight here also. Right. Answer. చెప్పండి. ఫిజికల్ ఫైల్. పర్ఫెక్ట్. Best understanding. Physical file is kind of some immutable data.
Something like
What data? What do you mean immutable? Exactly. That's what you need to be understand. Best example, our 10th class marks having immutable nature. Can I change actually? Let me know. I wanted to change. ఎక్కడ చేంజ్ చేయాలో చెప్పండి. నేను చేంజ్ బోర్డా సార్? Will they allow? They will not allow. Will they allow? Backdoor actual or what? Sorry sir. Okay, all right. Just kidding. Move on. Where are we? Maybe I have covered these are all. Let's move on. Accessing single column from the data frame. We can access columns from the data frame. If you access single column, then returns series. If you access a more than single column, I mean to say 2, 3, 4, then it returns what such a data frame. Yeah, go. Make a note. Sir, why red color? Why red color? Nice. What notation? But is it recommended? What is the issue? Tell me. Good. To take this snapshot and attaching here, that to providing indentation, I spend a lot of time. To prepare this material, I spend a lot of time. Material preparation is not a joke. If you want, you can try with one chapter. If you want, you can try with one chapter as it is actually. Trust me, for you, it may take minimum half day. Minimum half day actually. Before entering into the teaching, imagine I wanted to enter into the teaching. My main motto will be, whatever I am teaching, my goal is I wanted to give same material to the student so that they can enjoy. Remember, all you guys join for subject at the same time, you need some, so handy material actually. Then please, this material is really important. Prepare this material thoroughly. It will be helpful for you. Alone, sir, material?
no, sir.
It's easy. Sweet and short. One straight to the point actually. Straight to the point.
No, sir.
You guys join for other batches. Database, right? Database, are you attending?
No, sir.
You are not. CRT, are you attending?
Yes.
Are you getting material?
No, sir.
See the beauty. Running notes. Running notes even I am giving actually. Which one? Running notes only there. That's what, not everybody will give the material. Please, you have to realize not everybody will give actually. I'm not pointing any other trainer, but my nature will be, let me share liberally what I have. I can share liberally. Okay. Chaira. Okay. They will give only hand dictating. Oh, dictation. Oh. Okay. It's okay. Maybe trainer to trainer, the perspective and those are all. Okay. All right. Let's move on. Anyway, why? Yeah. See, what is the next one, Sarji? Index. What is the next one? Indexing. Group of columns I'm accessing, right? Single column, the best one actually. Best one. The next one, group of columns. Prepare the list and pass here as a list actually, right? Now the next one. Oh, very good. We are accessing single column and at the same time we are applying some method.
ఇది అడిగాను నేను.
I'm sorry. Rearranging columns also we done.
Yes.
Rearranging columns also we done. Rearranging. Product, customer name, quantity, order ID. Beautiful man. We done actually. Are you clear, sir? Nice. చెప్తారా?